everybody, good morning and welcome to another episode of Sailing Alley Cat. I believe this is episode 9. Pretty proud to bring this to you. I've been working really hard on the videos and I hope you guys like them. If you do, don't forget to click like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Last episode we wrapped it up with getting the solar arch installed, but we were in the process of putting on the solar panel, so we'll pick up with that. We did finish up with the washing machine project. It is still working fantastic. I still love it. I did want to let you guys know that the water maker project is still pending, and there won't be anything in this episode regarding the water maker project. So that we might take up in the next episode, but for this episode, nothing on the water maker. So this episode, what we're going to do is a TV cable antenna install the mast. That's going to be really interesting, and I'd like to think that I provided some interesting footage for you during that part of the install, so that is a little bit later on in the video. But let's start this episode off with the continuation of the solar panel install. So the solar panels have been installed. Awesome. But you're going to have to stay tuned to a future episode where we talk about wiring them up. Well, good morning everybody, and here we are back on Sailing Alley Cat, and guess what we're doing? If you guessed yet another boat project, well, ding dang dang, you are a winner chicken dinner, because that is exactly what we're doing. Yet another boat project. Wrong way. Tell them what we're doing today.
Well, I should have done this when the mast was off, but I was feeling optimistic.
Yeah.
So our television reception isn't quite as good as I think it should be, and I know the connector up on the top isn't quite as perfect as it should be. So we bought a spool of cable for 20 bucks. I'm gonna just run a new cable, put new connectors on it, and that way I know that part of the system is good. We don't watch much TV, but when we're at an anchorage, off a city or something, if there's a storm coming, it's kind of nice to watch the local weather and the local news to see what's going on in the city. So that's what's up today. So I'll be going to loft. Allison will be lifting me up on the mast.
A lot of trust there. So anyway, let's see how this project goes. Fingers crossed, we'll make some progress on this today. So Dave was just giving me some instructions on what my part of this job is going to be. So briefly touch on that one more time. What are we doing over here? What am I going to be doing right here?
So this is the new cable.
Mm-hmm.
I connected it to the old cable.
Yep.
And then I got a string too, because I want to, in case something happens, I want to be able to pull it either way.
Yep.
But your job down here, Pitt, once you lift me up there and I'm on top of the mast, I'm going to start pulling, and you got to feed it down here. I'm going to put some dish soap on here to make it slippery.
Okay.
To get through all this bundle of cables.
All right.
And this will be the hard part. Once it's through here, it should be okay. We can get it up, but
okay.
That's your job.
All right, I got it.
How many times we go? 4 times we went up the stick? I think I went up 3 times.
Yeah, 3, 4 times.
You went up once?
Yeah.
I can't get the old, I tried tying the new cable to the old cable, I can't get them off. So now I think I'm just going to pull the old cable out and tie a string to it and try to pull the new cable in with the string. If that doesn't work, we're just not going to have a TV.
For crying out loud. I think what we need here is another special presentation. Another Alley Cat special presentation is what is required at this moment, I do believe. And now it's time for the Alley Cat special shout out of the week. And this week's special presentation goes to one Brian McCulley. Brian McCulley did this for us. He wanted to make sure that we became YouTube sensations, and he has done his part. Way to go, Brian McCulley. You are the man. If you remember, Brian McCulley was the one that did all the lettering on our boat, and he did a phenomenal job. And as a special treat and gift to us, he presented this YouTube sticker for our boom as a free gift. He even drove it all the way down here to deliver it to us. Brian McCulley, you rock.
So now I went and I bought a Electricians fish tape. I'm going to, I taped it together, so I'm going to try to send it down the mast like this. And hopefully we can punch through whatever constriction or whatever word I'm trying to say, blockage is in the conduit.
What do you think our odds of success are?
Pretty low.
Okay, well if this doesn't work, what are we going to do next?
I don't know.
Are we at our wit's end?
Getting there.
Just going to have to suck it up, no TV?
No, we'll figure something out.
So, Dave is up there right now with the, I think it was called Electricians Tape, and he's trying to feed that down the mast to me. I'll be waiting patiently right here. Fingers crossed. I think I see it. No, 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 no. I thought I saw it. Wiggle it again. Yeah. Oh, it's going to come out of the conduit? Yeah. No, I don't see it. Is it still moving from your end? Let me get my glasses. All right, wiggle it. I see it, yes. All right, stop. Let me get a flashlight. Oh, God's sakes. All right, now I got a flashlight and a magnifying glass. And my glasses. Well, apparently, no matter how hard we tried, we were not going to be able to get that baby to come out of that hole down there. So now what we got to do is we got to try to make the baby come out the hole up there. So that's the current plan. But personally, I'm optimistic. I think this is the plan that's going to work. This is going to do it. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
It has to work.
It has to work. This is it. All right, here we go.
Okay, here's a video of Allison on top of the stick. Yeehaw! She's having fun up there, helping me pull the TV cable. It's a ways up there. She wants to come down. Ooh!
So, we have been at this project all day, trying to get this cable up this mast. We have been up the mast, we have been down the mast, we have been across the mast, we have been over the mast, we've swung from the mast, we've been to the store. I'm still feeding cable up the mast, but we finally got it. Apparently there was some super duper blockage up in there. I don't know. I think we shot everything up this mast but some Metamucil, but we finally got the blockage cleared out of the way enough for us to get this doggone TV cable up this mast. I'm pretty happy. We, ladies and gentlemen, have achieved success. Well, Dave, are you feeling a sense of accomplishment?
I don't know if it's accomplishment or I'm ready for happy hour. It's like noon. We got it pulled.
The hardest part is over, and I say that loosely.
So the cable's pulled, that's good.
Yeah.
Still have to put a connector up on top and another one down here, and then 3 more down in the cabin.
But for the most part, we're gonna call this project complete because this is about as complete as we have gotten on anything.
No, I got the washing machine.
Yes, that's true. The washing machine is completely officially completed.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, I think we can. I think we can at least celebrate, right?
Yes.
All right.
It took us 3 days to pull a cable.
But we got it.
I hope all my electronics guys from the Coast Guard aren't watching this.
Give me a high five right there. Whew. We got it. Team Crow. Got it. All right.
All right.
All right. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Sailing Alley Cat, episode 9. As I said in the beginning, if you enjoy our episodes, please make sure to click like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That'd be really awesome. So, to sum up what we got done in this video, we did get the TV cable installed. Yay. We do have a little bit more work to do on that, but for the most part, that project is complete. It is close enough to being complete that I am going to call it complete. So, and that is this week's episode. Hope you enjoyed it.